What if I told you that just 10 minutes a day could completely change the way your mind works? And what if I also told you that most people never see this transformation because they underestimate the power of consistency? Today on Fit with Tessa, you're stepping into a daily meditation practice that will transform your mind, improve focus, and reduce stress. Before you begin, find a quiet spot where you won't be disturbed and commit to these 10 minutes fully. Sit comfortably, spine straight, shoulders relaxed, hands resting gently on your lap. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, feeling your chest and belly expand. Exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing tension and stress. Feel the weight of your body grounded on the floor, supported, safe, and calm. Let your mind begin to settle, noticing thoughts without judgment. If distractions arise, acknowledge them, then gently return your focus to your breath. Notice the sensation of air entering and leaving your nostrils, the rhythm of your heartbeat, the subtle movement of your chest. Your mind may wander, and that's normal. The key is to return again and again. This practice strengthens focus, patience, and awareness. Visualize a calm place, a sanctuary where your mind feels free and safe. It could be a beach, a forest, or simply a room filled with light. With each breath, imagine inhaling calmness and exhaling tension. Notice the small sensations in your body: tightness, warmth, tingling. Observe without needing to change anything. Just awareness is the first step toward transformation. Allow your thoughts to float by like clouds, never holding on to them. Your mind is a vast sky, and thoughts are passing storms. Return to your breath whenever you feel pulled away. Feel the subtle shift in your body as relaxation spreads from head to toe. Your shoulders release, your jaw softens, your belly rises and falls smoothly. Begin to silently repeat a word or phrase if you wish: peace, calm, I am present. Let it anchor your mind and keep distractions at bay. Notice how your heartbeat slows and your breathing deepens. Each breath is a gentle reset, a mini vacation for your nervous system. Now bring awareness to your senses: hearing, feeling, smelling, but without labeling. Notice the sounds around you, the temperature of the air, the feeling of the floor beneath you. The practice of noticing without judging strengthens clarity and emotional control. Your mind may resist, urging you to move, to check your phone, or to escape. Acknowledge the urge, then choose to remain still and present. This is where mental resilience is built. Visualize yourself 1 week from now, calmer, clearer, more focused, more present in every moment. Every day you meditate, your mind rewires to handle stress better. Your clarity improves, your patience grows, and your inner peace becomes more accessible. Allow yourself to feel gratitude for taking these 10 minutes for yourself. Even small consistency compounds into huge mental transformation over time. Notice subtle shifts in posture as you breathe deeply. Feel the gentle expansion and contraction of your chest. Imagine stress melting away with each exhale. Your mind becomes lighter, more spacious, more aware. Focus on the space between breaths, the pause, the silence. It's in this silence that transformation occurs. Your mind learns to rest, recharge, and reset. Bring attention to your thoughts again, noticing patterns without judgment. Every time you return to your breath, you strengthen focus and mental control. Your awareness grows sharper, your stress response diminishes, and your mind becomes more resilient. Allow sensations of warmth, calm, or tingling to be present without interference. The more you notice, the more present you become. Even moments of restlessness are part of the process, shaping patience and discipline. Now slowly scan your body from head to toe, noticing areas of tension and releasing them gently. Inhale calm, exhale tightness. Feel a wave of relaxation sweeping through your entire body. Imagine a protective bubble around your mind and body, shielding you from stress and negativity. Every breath strengthens this shield, increasing clarity, focus, and resilience. Bring your attention to your heart space, feeling a sense of warmth, compassion, and gratitude. This daily practice not only reduces stress, but improves emotional intelligence and self-awareness. Silently repeat a positive affirmation: I am calm, I am focused, I am present. Let the words resonate, embedding peace and confidence in your subconscious. Feel the rhythm of your breath, the gentle rise and fall, as a constant reminder of life and presence. Notice thoughts and sensations, observing them as temporary and fleeting. Visualize your life with more clarity, better focus, and stronger emotional balance. Picture yourself handling challenges calmly, making decisions with clarity, and feeling confident in your own mind. Allow yourself to remain in stillness, breathing naturally, noticing the subtle shifts in body and mind. Feel the relaxation expanding through your limbs, your torso, and your head. Your nervous system calms, your mental space grows, and your mind becomes a sanctuary. As the session comes to an end, slowly bring awareness back to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes, gently stretch, and open your eyes when ready. Take a deep, cleansing breath and feel the difference 10 minutes of presence makes. Reflect on this moment of calm and carry it with you throughout your day. Even small daily consistency creates huge transformation over time. Your mind is sharper, your emotions more balanced, and your focus stronger. You are training your mind to be your ally, not your enemy. Commit to this 10-minute daily meditation and watch your life shift. The mind you build today is the foundation for a calmer, happier, and more focused tomorrow. Repeat daily, notice the subtle growth, and celebrate the transformation that emerges naturally. This is Fit with Tessa, and your mental transformation journey begins now.